We are headed into Krabi here. In a few seconds, you'll see this white car come up on me. And I'm really not off very far from Mike on the bike, so it looks bigger than it actually is, the space between us, but it's actually quite small. And this car comes in to try to cut me off. And I'm honking at him not to do it. And, well, he cuts us off and almost hits Mike in the process. But then there comes two more cars. Two white SUVs that come up on us, and they literally are so dangerous here that the last car almost hits Mike, and he's already on a bumper of a black car, so where is he supposed to go? And then they just get so aggressive with us right here. I backed off because, well, I didn't want to get ran over, but this is a great example of what can happen while you're riding in Thailand, especially on big bikes. I think a lot of the drivers feel like we should stay to the left, but we actually run with traffic the same speed that they're running at, if not even faster at times. So sometimes you just have to keep your eyes peeled from all directions because they'll come up on you and be very, very aggressive towards you. Usually we just tend to go to the left and let them go by, but this time I had no time to react. They weren't going to give me any room to go any direction, so I just wanted to point out that this is a great example of some of the riding you'll have in Thailand.